Welcome to polling.com. In this video, we'll show you how to screen out or disqualify users from your surveys. This is perfect for when you need responses from a specific group of people. With polling.com's free plan, you have access to advanced features where you can disqualify users who don't meet a specific criteria set by you. Whether you're targeting a particular geography, age range, industry, or any other attribute, adding logic to disqualify respondents from your survey can help you focus on the right audience. Let's explore this together. Starting out, go to your surveys and choose to either create a new one or edit an existing one. Let's edit an existing one here. When editing the survey, you can select a current question or create a new question where you want to apply logic. Scroll to the bottom right of the question editor to find the logic section. Here, you can add a rule, such as, if the answer is exactly a specific value, then disqualify the user and finish the survey. This way, whenever a respondent is completing a survey and meets this criteria, the survey will screen them out and disqualify them. As you're setting up your disqualification criteria, it's important to add a custom disqualification page. This page will display a message whenever a respondent is disqualified, keeping the experience professional and clear. When you're ready, save your survey and distribute it however you see fit. Once your survey is live, head over to the View Results section. In this page, you'll see the total number of respondents, completion rates, and your screen out rate, or the percentage of disqualified users for your survey. To dive deeper, use the filter at the top to view all sessions except for disqualified, or you can even focus exclusively on disqualified responses. If you apply only screen out or disqualified responses, you'll be able to see all survey responses that were screened out and disqualified. This helps you analyze why respondents may not be meeting your criteria. Finally, back on the surveys page, check the Respondent Sessions column to quickly see if any surveys have disqualifications. This gives you a high-level snapshot of your survey's effectiveness. Disqualifying users ensures you get the most relevant insights from your surveys. Ready to refine your audience? Sign up today at polling.com.